Okay, hi everyone. My name is 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐞. Today we are at our experience center. Today we have a new product launch, and to launch this new product, we have the best guy who can explain us. He's from the same company. The company name is Labocosmetica. He is the key expert, the master trainer, the international trainer, 𝐸𝐿𝐴. Welcome.
Thanks so much, How are you? What's going on? Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. So explain this, we have a new glass cleaner.
Yes, we have the finalization of a 7-year-old project. Oh wow. The story started like this 5 years ago. I started with Labocosmetica, saw the product line and was wondering, Marco, why is there no glass cleaner inside of Labocosmetica? And the answer was, and I made this answer 5 years as the story. He said, do you know a glass cleaner that can clean glass streak-free? I said, yeah, I know several. He says, there are hundreds of those. But when we wanted to create a glass cleaner, we want to create something that Labocosmetica,
Special one, yeah.
outside of the box, more interesting, doing other things that the other glass cleaners cannot. So after 7 years, I present to you Nitido, wow, the glass cleaner from Labocosmetica. Now, what is so different about this glass cleaner? We like to take all the weaknesses from a traditional glass cleaner and turn them into strengths.
Okay.
So what we don't wipe, we don't want, exactly, I don't want to wipe too much. I want to be able to have this glass cleaner to work anytime, anywhere, in any season, with any temperature. Meaning if I want to clean it in winter, when it's freezing, I need to be able to do it with this one.
Wow.
If I'm standing in the middle of the desert and I want to clean my windows, I want to be able to do so.
Even in open sunlight?
Even in open sunlight, direct sunlight.
Okay.
And the reason for that, I'm going to show you, because when I take this product, you will see that when the application does, and I spray it on the surface like this, that we have sort of a hydrogel that is adhering to the surface. If you take a traditional glass cleaner, the liquid is 100% water. And it's the water inside with the detergent. As long as that water is there, there's no issue. If we let this dry up as a traditional glass cleaner, we get those greasy streaks. It's the detergent inside of the product that is now dried up, has no water to keep it in suspense, and it's almost impossible for us to wipe off. The second thing that we want is that this glass cleaner needs to be inherent when you use it on the inside to have no effect on any delicate materials like the leather, the Alcantara. Do not create any issues other than clean the glass. Labocosmetica likes to think a little bit ahead. We know where this stuff is going. For me, one of the biggest nightmares or the biggest things that I annoy myself too much is when I have a glass cleaner that runs down, I take it on the side of the window, it's going to the side of the rubber. There it's going to accumulate, and after I close the window and I clean it, I open it up again and I get these streaks.
Extra work.
Making extra work. I told you I'm a lazy guy. I love to work, but I don't like to work too much. Now, I am still speaking. We can still see that the product is still in suspense. Now I want to show you a little bit what we can do with a traditional, if this is not the old schoolest, but one of the best known glass tiles in the world.
Yes.
We have a smooth side, we have a rough side. And as you can see, that's just with one wipe. The product evaporates completely. Wow. For the second finish. And we're done.
No streaks, nothing.
No streaks, no halos. I wish I had my green flashlight with me now. Because we could put the glass light on it to see exactly where the streaks went or if they are created at all. When we move to a more traditional glass cleaning now, what is now known as the waffle weave or the waffle technique or whatever, we also would like to have a system that works in any way. So if I want to do glass cleaning in a different technique, and I have some residue that's left behind, but the residue itself is easily removed without any extra labor, creating a streak-free glass finish in any environment from cold to warm, from summer to winter. Ladies and gentlemen, Nitido, my Labocosmetica.
Amazing.
Thank you so much. 7 years of hard work, we managed to create something that nobody else has. It's very safe for your protection, so you don't have any protection on the car, on the windshield in the form of a glass sealant or in the form of a ceramic coating for windows. This is inherent, doesn't remove it. It keeps it alive and it will keep it in suspense, and that's why I love this one so much.
So you're saying if you have a kind of a sealant or a coating, it will clean, but it will not disturb the coating?
Exactly.
And will it enhance the durability?
The durability in the case that because of it's becoming clean, we have the capabilities of improving the performance of the product. Yes. You really want to improve the performance after a long fade of time? 3 pH wash. Labocosmetica.
So guys, thank you for watching. If you need more great content, check out our other videos, our playlist, at our channel, The Detailing Mafia. Thank you. Ciao.